G'day everyone, this is the Madbean Upper Decker. You can check it out on the Madbean Pedals forum. This is going to be the sound demo for the pedal. I've already done a build report, just some details about how I actually put it together. Just one note before I start playing, this controls the boost, this switch here, and that is the dial, the contour or the crunch dial for the boost channel. And as I mentioned in the build report, they're backwards. The boost is after the effect, which is not as useful, in my opinion, as having the boost before the effect. I just had some issues wiring it up, and I ended up wiring it that way. But if you're going to build it, do it the other way around. It'll be much more useful. So you'll notice that the volume will drop a lot when I engage the contour boost channel. So I'm just going to do a sweep of the dials just so you can see how they interact with each other. I really like the EQ in this thing. It's great. I might just do some sort of favorite settings at the end just to show you a few what's possible with it. So let's get into it. That meant the EQ kicks ass. So yeah, I just gave my thumbs up to the EQ. Like I was saying, I really like the EQ. It's just great, so versatile. All the dials do what they're supposed to do. Well, you know, except those two, I'm sure, are the other way around. That sounds more like treble than that sounds more like mid than treble to me. But yeah, the contour is also a good feature. But like I said, I think you're gonna want that at the front of the effect, because it's just too much of a boost when you put it at the end. You have to turn the volume right down. So yeah, I reckon wire that the other way around. But you test it yourself. But that's my opinion on it anyway. And same with the gain. I mean, it still sounds great even when it's dialed back to half. It's still got a pretty ballsy sort of sound. The switch, it does have a use. I know it just sounds like it makes it darker, but you know, when you EQ it right with the switch, it sounds good too. So I think that this pedal's forte is definitely for the heavier sort of metally sort of stuff, but it also does high gain pretty well, sort of similar to sort of like a Shaw Right. I didn't actually show that in the video, but I'm just going to end it here anyway. I think you get the general idea of what it sounds like and what it can do. It's probably been one of the most rewarding pedals I've built for actually quite some time now. It was a huge success. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, demos, build reports, all that sort of stuff. Thanks for watching.